Why do 60% of people yawn when they see someone else do it? Let's dive into the science. Yawning. It's one of those mysterious things we all do. Scientists have a couple of cool theories about why we yawn. One idea is that yawning helps cool down our brains. Basically, when our brain gets too hot, a good yawn can help chill it out. Another theory is that yawning boosts oxygen intake, giving our brains a little extra O2 to keep us sharp and focused. And here's a fun fact, yawning is super contagious. If you're watching this and just yawn, you're not alone. Studies show that about 60% of people will yawn when they see someone else yawning. So, did we get you to yawn yet? Let us know in the comments below. Stay curious, stay cool, and keep those brains happy.